It's been about 3 hours and the dough is floating. It's still a little sticky. It's got a great jiggle. See the bubbles. Let's see how it pulls from the edge. It's pulling really nicely from the edge. Not gonna worry about that stickiness because it is pretty humid in my house today. So I'm gonna flour my countertop and we're gonna dump the dough out. I'm gonna take that dough from the cup and stick it in there. You guys, it feels really nice and pillowy. I'm just gonna shape it into a rectangle. Fold it over once, fold it over twice, and roll it up. It feels amazing. And then I'm gonna do some push and pulls. I've got my oven preheating to 450 degrees with my Dutch oven in it. Sprinkling some flour on top. This loaf needs to be done in a hurry. So I'm gonna cut into it like basically as soon as it comes out of the oven. So it is gonna not look perfect. Okay, I'm gonna give it a score. Let me grab my Dutch oven. When I use a bread sling, I just flop those right over the top. And now it's going in my oven, covered for 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes. We're gonna take the lid off and put it back in for another 10 to 15 minutes. It looks really good. We're looking for an internal temperature of between 200 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit. It baked another 15 minutes uncovered. It started with 10, but it wasn't quite to 200, so I put it in for another 5. I am gonna temp check it just to make sure it came up to temp. And I just put my digital meat thermometer in. I do it in a couple spots. It's at 201, and then we'll check it just in another spot or two, just to make sure. It's 203 there. And 201 here. So I'm gonna let this cool just for a few minutes until we're ready to eat. It's only gonna be about 5 minutes. Other than that, it looks beautiful. My scoring's never perfect, but we're gonna go ahead and slice into it and eat it. I'll show you what it looks like, but I can promise you it's gonna be a little dense and gummy because I'm cutting into it steaming hot. It's been cooling for about 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and cut into it. It's crunchy. Oh! Hold, please.